So you might be in a position where you want to go ahead and how to permanently delete voice memos from your iPhone device. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So open up your Memos app on Utility, tap on Voice Memos. And for example, I record some voice memos, and then you should select one of these recording memos. For example, you want to delete this one. So there are two ways to delete voice memos. First of all, you can tap on all recordings, then swipe from right to left on any voice recording, and here you will see the trash icon. Tap on this trash icon and then it will be deleted. Or second way, just open any of recording, then tap on the trash icon at the bottom right of recording. Now we should delete permanently. Just go back on main menu voice memos, then tap on recently deleted. There are three ways to delete it. First of all, you can delete all these recently deleted recordings. Just tap on edit at the top right corner, delete all at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will permanently delete recently deleted voice memos. If you want delete one by one, you can swipe on any recording from right to left and then tap on delete and tap on delete forever. And you can just tap on edit at the top right corner, then mark which one you want to delete, and then tap on delete and tap on delete forever. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.